Happy birthday, Tito Kaloy! Sana masaya ka!
Binabati ko nga pala si Tito Kaloy. Happy birthday! Sana bigyan ka pa ng maraming birthdays sa iyo.
Happy birthday po! More birthdays to come. God bless you. See you on Saturday.
Happy birthday, Kuya Kaloy. Tara na mag-inom.
Happy 50th birthday, Tito Kaloy. Sheesh. Happy birthday, Tito Kaloy. Sana marami pang birthday ang dumating sa inyo. God bless.
Happy birthday, Lolo Kaloy! Good health and more birthdays to come.
Happy 50th birthday, Tito Carlos. You're such an inspiration. Your passion for families and your leadership. Thank you for being you. Enjoy your day.
Hello Tito! Happy 50th birthday po. Sana po palagi kayong malakas and more happiness pa po in life. God bless you po and enjoy your day. Happy birthday po ulit and always take care. Bye po!
Yo! So nga lang palang batiin ng pinakapogi kong Tito Kaloy. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. God bless. Kaloy, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tito Kaloy! Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Bye-bye!
Sana bigyan pa umabang birthday! Tito Kaloy, happy birthday! Sana bigyan pa ng maraming birthday. Salamat sa mga payo sa amin. Nagtiwala. Hingga ka palagi.
Tito Kaloy, happy birthday po! Sa Sabado na lang.
Wait lang,
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy 50th golden birthday, Tatay!
Papa?
Kaloy! Malayo pa, pero malayo na. At makakalayo pa. Huwag magselos! Huwag magselos! Nandito lang kami forever sa inyo ni Mama. We love you! Happy birthday!